Hey guys, hoe gaan het? Hoop jullie allemaal is alright. Het is een nieuwe week. Het was eigenlijk nog wel lekker diep in. Het is al hier middel November hier. Guys, yeah. I know for some people this time of the year is difficult because some has lost loved ones during this period, and it's just a reminder of people that you've lost, people that you miss, loved ones that you miss. And yeah, my message to you guys that's missing loved ones and family members, you know. I mean, I miss my parents a lot. There's many days when I feel like, wow, I just wish they were here, you know. And I just wish I could have had a conversation with them like this. But yeah, that's just how it is, you know. And then that is how you feel. I mean, it's normal to miss somebody. And many times I ask the Lord, why are they not here anymore? And why do I, you know, as an adult, when I feel like I need them, you know. And what the Lord always gives me is the comfort that He is around you, and He is with you, and He is with us, to comfort us in times where we need comforting. He won't do in your life what you can't handle, or give you what you can't handle. And it's also a part of the breaking, you know, of Him breaking you, making you vulnerable, and making your heart soft. Because you can't walk with the Lord and have a heart of stone. You know, you have to have a soft heart, and you have to be open and vulnerable for the Lord, and for the Lord really to change things in your life. But yeah, for people, for mensen wat se harte gebreek is, wat loop met seer, I really hope and I pray for healing in your lives, healing for the Lord to come through and comfort you, and really to heal you and give you a sense of peace in your heart. Because at the end of the day, if you have peace, then you have so much. And if you have peace and you are in a process of healing, then the Lord can do so much more, not to yourself, but to what you can do for others. So my message is just to ask the Lord to heal your heart, and to heal your heart and your mind, because the spirit of unforgiveness, or to harbor unforgiveness and resentment, it's like poison, you know, in a bottle. And there's obviously freedom in the Lord Jesus Christ. And that's just my message to you. As jy nou deur 'n moeilike tyd gaan, maar bid ek net dat die Here vir jou sal 'n deurbraak, 'n bonatuurlike deurbraak maak, daar wat jy nou is, en waar wat jy die boodskap kry. Ja, en ek bid net vir verlossing en vir versoening in jou lewe. Groete en liefde. God bless.